There's something special about walking into a home where every corner is touched with the magic of Christmas. The scent of fresh pine, the sparkle of lights, and the warmth that fills the air create an atmosphere like no other. A beautifully decorated garland, whether it's draped over a mantle, twisted around a staircase railing, or hung above a door, instantly elevates the holiday spirit in any room. It's more than just a decoration, it's an invitation to celebrate. This season, let your garland stand out as a focal point in your holiday decor. From lush greenery to bold metallics, garlands are versatile enough to suit any style, whether you lean toward classic elegance, rustic charm, or a more contemporary twist. With so many options available, it's easy to tailor a garland that perfectly complements your home and captures the essence of the holiday season. In this guide, we'll explore different ways to incorporate garlands into your Christmas decor. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch with a DIY project or simply want to enhance your space with a pre-made design, we'll walk through creative options to make your home feel festive and joyful. Let's dive into how you can transform your space with garlands that not only add beauty but also bring warmth, cheer, and holiday charm into every room. The traditional Christmas garland will always hold a special place in our hearts. Think of lush pine needles, rich reds, and bright greens, with just the right amount of sparkle to keep it festive. When we think of traditional garlands, the first image that comes to mind is often a simple yet elegant arrangement that complements your tree or home without overwhelming the senses. One of the most classic ways to display a traditional garland is over the fireplace. You can use fresh or faux greenery, adding pine cones, berries, and perhaps a ribbon to make it more festive. This combination creates an inviting, cozy feeling, perfect for gatherings by the fire. You can also add LED lights to this display, which will give off a soft, warm glow. LED lights are low energy, long-lasting, and can easily be integrated into the garland without compromising its aesthetic. Consider using warm white or multicolored lights, depending on the vibe you wish to create. Another wonderful idea for a traditional look is to hang garlands along your staircase. Starting at the top and cascading down, wrapping them around the banister can create an elegant and timeless look. You can add a bit of extra flair with ribbon, metallic threads, or even matching ornaments, keeping the traditional style but adding your personal touch. Don't forget about doorways either. Hanging a garland across the entryway gives the whole room a welcoming, festive charm. If these Christmas garland ideas inspired you to add a festive touch to your home, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love decorating for the holidays. If you're looking to infuse a bit of whimsy and fun into your holiday decor, why not experiment with playful garland designs? You can step away from the usual and introduce something a little more vibrant and bold. Think of unconventional materials and bright, cheery accents that capture the joy and magic of the season. A fun and eye-catching option is to use colorful pom-poms or paper garlands. These are particularly great if you have kids at home, as you can easily craft them together, adding a personal and interactive element to the decorations. Pom-poms in varying sizes and colors can be strung together to form a garland that's full of life. These can hang over the mantelpiece, across windows, or drape over furniture. You could even mix in some glittery snowflakes or miniature holiday-themed decorations for added cheer. Another whimsical idea is to create a garland using candy-themed items. Think fake candy canes, gumdrops, or miniature wrapped candies to create a sweet, edible-looking garland that adds a playful touch to any room. This is especially ideal for a kitchen or dining area, where the festive cheer can overflow into the heart of the home. You could also make a garland of small festive ornaments like miniature stockings or tiny wrapped presents. Adding unexpected elements like these keeps the decoration lighthearted and fun. Which garland idea will you be using this Christmas? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're incorporating garlands into your holiday decor. For those who prefer a more modern and minimalist approach to Christmas decorating, your garland can be just as stunning, even with fewer embellishments. The key to achieving a minimalist garland is to focus on clean lines, simple designs, and neutral tones, which blend seamlessly into your home's aesthetic. One simple yet striking idea is to use a garland made from greenery like eucalyptus or olive branches, which have a clean, streamlined look. These types of foliage pair beautifully with neutral or metallic accents, such as silver, gold, or black ornaments. Consider using a garland with a subtle hint of sparkle or matte metallic touches to elevate the design. Adding small, simple white or clear LED lights would perfectly complement this sleek and chic style. Another idea is to create a Scandinavian-inspired garland. These often feature minimalist wooden decorations like small stars, hearts, or angels, which work well in a modern, neutral space. You can also incorporate simple, handcrafted items, like wooden beads or clothespins, to give the garland a unique, natural vibe. This style of decoration brings a sense of calm and understated beauty to your space, aligning with the Scandinavian aesthetic of hygge, simple, cozy living. For more holiday decorating tips and creative ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll always be updated with our latest festive videos. Incorporating natural and eco-friendly elements into your Christmas decorations is not only sustainable but also creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Nature-inspired garlands bring a fresh, earthy touch to your home, and there are so many ways to incorporate seasonal plants, dried flowers, and natural materials. You can create a beautiful garland using fresh greenery like cedar, holly, or spruce. These plants have strong, fragrant scents that will fill your space with a natural Christmas aroma. You could add dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, or star anise to the garland for a touch of spice. These organic elements not only enhance the visual appeal but also contribute to the cozy, festive atmosphere of your home. For an eco-friendly touch, consider using repurposed materials, such as upcycled fabric, ribbons, or burlap to tie together your garland. Eco-conscious alternatives like reusable faux fur or sustainable cotton can also be incorporated into garlands to create a beautiful, environmentally friendly display. These simple, earthy designs are not only aesthetically pleasing but also mindful of the planet, making your Christmas decorations even more meaningful. Check out our Christmas decor playlist for more creative decorating ideas, from wreaths and tree decorations to beautiful garlands that will transform your home. As we wrap up our journey through the wonderful world of Christmas garlands, it's clear that the possibilities are endless. From the traditional to the whimsical, modern, and eco-friendly, garlands are one of the most versatile and charming ways to transform your home into a holiday wonderland. Whether you're drawn to the warmth of pine and holly or the crisp elegance of minimalist designs, there's a garland style for every taste and space. The beauty of garlands lies in their adaptability. They can be tailored to fit your personal style and woven into every corner of your home, from mantels to staircases, windows, and doorways. They bring an organic flow to your decorations, blending seamlessly with other elements like your Christmas tree or wreaths, enhancing the overall holiday vibe. Garlands also offer the chance for creativity and personal expression. You can add your own unique touches, whether it's a pop of color, a playful theme, or sustainable materials. They are as much a part of your holiday storytelling as the other decorations in your home, providing warmth, charm, and festive spirit. The process of selecting, crafting, or arranging your garlands is a wonderful part of the holiday season. It's a time to reflect, create, and immerse yourself in the holiday spirit. As you embark on your garland journey, remember that there are no rules, just what feels right for you and your home. With endless options and the freedom to mix and match styles, your garland will be the perfect reflection of your Christmas spirit. Ready to add garlands to your home? Head to the description for links to the products and decorations featured in today's video. And so, whether your garland is simple or extravagant, timeless or trendy, one thing is certain: when it adorns your home, it will undoubtedly bring joy, warmth, and a touch of magic to your Christmas celebrations. As we wrap up our exploration of creative Christmas garland ideas, it's clear that garlands have the power to transform any space. Whether you're adorning your mantle with lush greenery, draping them across your dining table, or placing them on windowsills, they bring a sense of elegance and warmth to every corner of your home. Garlands are not just about decoration, they're about creating a festive ambience that welcomes everyone who steps inside. The beauty of garlands lies in their versatility. With endless possibilities, you can mix and match elements like ribbons, ornaments, and lights to craft a design that reflects your personal style. From traditional to contemporary, there's a garland option for every taste and preference. Don't be afraid to get creative, add touches that speak to the season.